So, hear me out here. What if the difference between the designs you're making right now and the ones you'd like to be making is the process behind the screens? Because it is. And because I like you guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through my go-to process when I kick off a web design project. And this will be straight to the point, no unnecessary steps, just what you need and why you need it. Let's do it. Step 1. Do some competitive analysis, man. This simply means researching other websites that offer a similar service to the one you're designing. Then identify what's working and what isn't, and also improvement opportunities around their user experience and interface. So basically, their strengths, their weaknesses, and things they may have overlooked that you can then use to best them. You get it? Best them. You know how they say best, I'll be your better in like them old movies. You get what I'm saying? Step 2. Create a sitemap and user flows where necessary. Designing becomes so much easier when you know what goes where. And the sitemap simply outlines all the pages of a website. But I take it a step further to outline all the sections within each of the pages as well. Step 3. Decide on a creative direction, then spend adequate time putting together a mood board for it. A creative direction is simply the look and feel of things. Is it going to feel futuristic, retro, modern, editorial, and so on? The creative direction you settle on is what influences every other decision moving forward, from the icons, typography, buttons, and shapes to the motion and interaction design. But if you have a brain in your skull like some of us do, you might be wondering what influences the choice of the creative direction itself. Good question. The creative direction is influenced by your competitive analysis. You just go a different direction from where the majority is leaning. That's how you stand out. So when everyone zigs, you zag. Now to the mood board. This is just a visual representation of your creative direction. Here you populate your files with the designs that align with your chosen direction. Your mood board should cover everything from the iconography, typography, layout compositions, shapes, and motion and interaction design. All that juicy stuff. Feel free to pull ideas from any media form, posters, videos, OnlyFans models, anything goes. Anything. The job of a mood board is to help you come up with ideas that fit into your creative direction. And the little added bonus that you get to steal from multiple sources and therefore get away with it. Get away with it. Step 4. Define the core of your design system. A design system is basically a set of rules that define how things should be done and what components should be used. This is where you choose the color palettes, the typography scale, and the styles for your icons and shapes. Now, these don't have to be final, especially the icons and shapes, but your typography and color choices should reflect your research and mood board, so they shouldn't be changed without a strategic reason. Step 5. Create the design for your navigation bar and footer for both desktop and mobile. These are the only two sections that will be consistent throughout your application. So once you nail the design style, it will be easier to check the rest of your layout against them as you go. So ensure you stay within your creative direction. You get me? Step 6. Now you can create the rest of the user interface while updating the design system as you go. Ideally, the design system should be mostly populated by the time you're done with the landing page. Be sure to take into account the various states of the components you design, such as the hover, the active and inactive states for the buttons, layout loading states, cursor feedbacks, for screen, and so on. Also, in the absence of a prototype version for the interactions, you should probably explain whatever interaction or animation you have planned for any section. Your future self might well need it. And finally, when you think you're done, go check your sitemap and user flows to see if you missed anything. And if not, then organize the screens into the necessary groups and go get some sleep. When you wake up, you would most likely hit the work you just did. And if you do decide to redo everything, thanks to me, you now have a process that makes it easier for you. You're welcome. I'm rooting for you. Hopefully, some of this mindless rambling of mine was helpful. And if it was, please leave a like and comments. And I'm not one to like push my luck or anything, but maybe consider subscribing as well. That's how you help me out. Thank you, and see you in the next one.